Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to take partial screenshot on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on accessibility and convenience. From here, you will find the option of gestures and motions. Just tap on it. Now to take a partial screenshot, just enable the toggle for touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Now after you enable this option, you can capture a partial screenshot by simply tapping and holding on the screen with 3 fingers, then drag down to capture the selected part as a screenshot. Now after you do that, then you can crop as you like, just like that. And once you're satisfied with your edit, then tap on done and you can find your screenshots in your gallery app, just like that. And this is how you can take a partial screenshot on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.